Hey Aries, please keep in mind if this video does not resonate for you, please check my other videos to take a look at your moon, your rising, and you can also check your Venus sign as well. So this is going to be your reading for the month of July. So this is going to be your love reading for the month of May. So Aries, this is telling me that either you or your person, somebody wants to come back in. I feel like Spirit is pushing them to make the effort to come back to tell you how they feel about you, to really open up, because maybe they want to talk to you about some things you didn't know. I feel like somebody's been wearing a mask and they really haven't been showing that side of them that's like just basically showing you like how much you really mean to them, how much they really care for you, because this person definitely wants to move things forward. They definitely want to commit to you, and I feel like they have been planning a proposal here. Somebody, yeah, there's some type of engagement coming up, and it's like if they don't come back in on bended knee, it could just be a simple situation to where they want to come back, see how you feel, see if they can work things out. Then it will lead into them proposing to you, or you know, proposing to them. This is what I mean, vice versa, take it however it fits. But let's hop in, because I'm still, you know, a little curious to see why my crystal fell. That's a big crystal, but we're gonna go there. Alright, Aries. Okay, Spirit, what's going on with my Aries? Alright, bottom of the deck, I have the Two of Wands reversed. So this is basically telling me that this person that you've been dealing with, they didn't bring balance to the situation that you two had. And this is why they're not being positive about coming back towards you to make this commitment to talk to you. Because they were being sneaky in the past. Tell me more. So I feel like one minute they made a decision as far as like how they're going to come back to approach you. But then at the same time, they're undecided about what exactly to say, how exactly to do it. Because they know that your guard is up. But see, they're going to come back and give you an offer. It is going to be a small offer because they know that you don't trust them. And that's what I was telling you guys in the beginning, where this person definitely wants to have a commitment with you. They want to move things forward. They want to propose to you. But the problem is because they were being sneaky and they know that you don't trust them, they may just try to come back in wanting to talk to you, to work things out, to see if you're going to forgive them. Then they're going to go towards that commitment. That's that small offer. So they have to prove that they can be trusted. And see, this person, they're trying to hold on to hope that they can win you back. Somebody could be dealing with an Aquarius. But yeah, this person is sad because they're regretting how they treated you. And see, you could be dealing with a Pisces, but they're scared. They're scared that you're not going to take them back. But they're going to have confidence. Oh my gosh, see what I'm saying? I'm telling y'all, this person wants to marry you. They want a commitment. You could have been dealing with a Taurus. Tell me more. But yeah, see, they feel like they're not going to have a victory. I'm telling you, they feel like you're going to shut them down, Aries. Somebody could have been dealing with an air sign, Aquarius, Gemini, or Libra, but this person doesn't want you to cut them off. Why is the Tower here? Something could have came crashing down between the two of you. Yeah, something happened. It was something regarding someone's past. Tell me more. Yeah, third party. So there could have been some type of like heartbreak due to some type of third party situation. Y'all know I say every single time, a third party doesn't necessarily have to be another man or a woman. It could be family, friends, career. It could be anything that was standing in the way. But something had to shake here. Somebody could have been dealing with a water sign, Pisces, Cancer, or Scorpio. But I feel like you guys are just sad. Oh, hell. And then the Queen of Cups came out balancing on my hand. Yeah, there was a third party here. There was definitely a third party. Somebody could have been dealing with an earth sign, Capricorn, Taurus, or a Virgo. Whew, alright. The way these cards are laying, this could have been if someone has children with someone else. They could have been interfering. This could have been like a mother-son, mother-daughter relationship situation. That could have been like the interference. Or there could have just been an ex. But there's definitely two people here. There's definitely two people. Tell me more. Yeah, and this is why they feel like they're not going to have a new beginning with you. Oh, there's another queen. Y'all see what I'm saying? That's 3 different energies here. Either somebody was definitely being a player, or it's like they were dealing with you, an ex, and their mother could have been involved in the situation. But either which way, you cut them off, Aries, because you're like, I don't have time to deal with this. But there's some type of communication coming in, but it's coming in slow. Yeah, so this person wants to talk to you. It's like, I feel like they're battling themselves because, yeah, that's like my fast communication card, but then the Knight of Pentacles came out right after, so it's like they're moving slow to speak some type of truth to you. But they're going to make a decision. Tell me more. They want to commit to you. They want to fix this. See, they're giving you the offer, Aries. There is an offer that you deserve coming in. But see, they had other options in the past, and this is why they feel like you're not going to accept this offer, and they're worried about it. They're definitely worried because they feel like you're not going to want to move forward with them. And this is why they're dragging their feet. Somebody could have been dealing with a Cancer. Somebody could be dealing with a fire sign, Aries, Leo, or a Sagittarius. But in order for things to improve, this person definitely had to walk away from some type of toxic situation that they put themselves in. Somebody could have been dealing with a Capricorn. Yeah, because look, they don't want to argue with you. And this person is clearing away obstacles in order to be with you. Aries, there you are. You could be dealing with another Aries. But this person realized that they didn't bring stability into the situation. And now they want to put in the work to win you back. But they're just trying to figure out how to even approach you. Because they do want to start over and build something with you. Somebody could have been dealing with a Gemini, but they're realizing that there was an imbalance that they caused in this situation. And they're sad about it. Somebody could be dealing with a water sign, Pisces, Cancer, or a Scorpio. And there's a Scorpio, but this person is feeling like you're not going to give them a new beginning, a try. But they're still going to come back to give you an offer. But you guys are looking for the truth. Somebody could be dealing with the Libra here. Yep, because the seeds that were planted, they want to grow. They want to have this happy home with you, Aries. But this person is not using their intuition. They do want to balance things out with you. They want to fix things. They want to have contentment with you. But whoever was, like, interfering, this person is still in the picture. Because they don't want your person to come back towards you. And it's because this person provided them stability. And your person feels like they're not going to be able to fix this situation because they caused too much mess. But they know that you make them happy. Excuse me. Sorry, I'm getting over a sinus infection. Okay. But this person knows that you make them happy. But at the same time, they're having a hard time because in one breath, they're in their head because they feel like they lost you for good. But then it's like they're trying to come out of that energy because they don't want to feel like they lost you. They want to come back and fix things. Tell me more. Somebody could be dealing with a Virgo. But this was a lesson for them. And now they're sitting back thinking about how they stabbed you in the back. Like, they're regretting their decisions here, Aries. But see what I'm saying? There's 2 tens. Even though they're scared that they're not going to be able to have, like, this family with you, wish fulfillment, the whole 9 with you, this cycle that they've been going through, it's over. It's done. Because there's a new cycle starting. There's something new. Yeah, look, this person's going to come back to give you an offer, Aries. Oops, too many cards. They're coming back. And see, if there's a third party here, that third party situation is coming to an end. But they know that they still hurt you because of it. And they're coming out of being frustrated about the situation, but they're not being positive. Somebody could have been dealing with a fire sign, Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius. But somebody's still interfering. Could be a mother, but if not, there could be just like a fire sign here. Tell me more. But regardless, this person is coming back to give you an offer. Yep, because at one point they felt stuck in a situation, but they're freeing themselves and they're coming to speak their truth. Because they did make a decision. Could be dealing with the Leo, but this person is coming back towards you. They just don't have the strength to do so. But they do want things to improve. But I'm telling you, they keep thinking about this third party person. I feel like somebody's not trying to let them go. See what I'm saying? It's like this person also doesn't have a peace of mind with their money. See? It's something with money with this person too, Aries. Because I feel like this person wants to balance things out with you, but they have not completely 100% cut it off with this other person from what I'm seeing here. And it's something due to finances. I don't know if the person was giving to them or if they were giving to your person, but it's something pertaining to money here. And this is why they're not taking a leap to come towards you just yet, because they're trying to get out of this situation, whatever they put themselves in. But it's like once they do, they're not going to look back at the past because they're making plans for their future with you. They want a new opportunity with you, and they know that they left you out in the cold, and they're hoping that you can forgive them. But see, they're moving slow because they don't know what you're going to say. Tell me more. Ooh. Yeah, this person wants a new beginning with you, and they're coming back to balance things out. Somebody could be dealing with a Sagittarius, but every time they want to say something to you, they chicken out, and they just keep it to themselves. Tell me more. Look at that. I'm telling you, this person's coming to talk to you, Aries. They're coming to talk to you, but they know that you're sad because of what they've done. And this person took some type of financial loss here, because I feel like at one point, that's what was taking them so long. They were trying to get out of some type of situation. They were trying to get their money together, but at the same time, they don't even care anymore. They just want to come back towards you to speak their truth. Here's the Wheel of Fortune. This is telling me that they did learn a lesson. They are coming back towards you. They choose you. But they're scared that because of what they put you through, things are not going to improve because you're not going to take them back. Aries. Leave me some comments. Let me know if this is resonating for you guys, because that's all I've been seeing. You're the third person that I've done. And I mean, Pisces, Sagittarius, now Aries. This is like the theme where your person wants to come back. People are realizing that they messed up. So are you going to take them back, Aries? Or you got to let me know. All right, Aries, I love you guys. Talk to you soon. Bye.